Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make my family's favorite meal, meatloaf. These are all the ingredients that go into the meatloaf, and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. Into a bowl, large bowl with 2 eggs, we're going to add 2.5 to 2 3/4 pounds of meatloaf mix. This is a mixture of ground beef, ground pork, and ground veal. Next, we're going to add 1 packet of Lipton Recipe Secrets beefy onion. You could also use regular onion if you can't find the beefy onion. 1.5 palmfuls of grated Parmesan cheese. 1.5 palmfuls of Italian seasoning breadcrumbs, dry breadcrumbs. You could also use plain. Some garlic powder. You could also add onion powder too. Some milk. I'm using whole milk, but you can use any kind of milk you have, and some ketchup, about 3 squirts. And for some flavor, some Worcestershire sauce, about 2 or 3 tablespoons. And now you're going to mix it all up. Mix, mix, mix. It's going to be a little on the wet and sticky side, and that's how you want it, because you want this to be moist and not dry. If you use too many breadcrumbs or too much cheese, it's going to be dry. So don't worry that it feels a little mushy. That's how you want it. So you're going to mix it all together until it's all combined. And then you're going to put it on a sheet pan that has been lined with parchment paper and sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. And then just shape it into a loaf. I find that the longer it is and the flatter it is, the better it cooks, the more evenly it cooks. So shape it in a nice loaf shape and make a little divot in the top because we're going to put sauce on top. Next, we're going to make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix together 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, half a cup of ketchup, and some Worcestershire sauce. This is probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons, but you could a good measurement is about 2 tablespoons. I think I used a little bit too much this time, but 2 tablespoons is good. Mix it all together until the sugar dissolves. And then you're going to take half of this sauce and place it on top of the meatloaf. Spread it out evenly and put it in an oven, a 400-degree oven, and bake for 45 minutes. And then the last 15 minutes, you're going to place the rest of the sauce on top, bake for another 15 minutes, take it out and let it sit, and serve it with mashed potatoes and a salad. Thank you for watching.